this footer here, that is the footer showing here because it was imported into the app.gss. Yes, this one. So let's write our code. Now I like using function. You can still use count. We use count. I mean const to call a variable. But me, I like using. Oh, just let's leave it that way. Let's leave it that way. It will still work. I wanted to turn this function, but leave it. It will work. So shift O we start with footer. Footer. The class name will be footer. So under the footer, write a div called dot footer container. Yeah. Then another div dot footer left. Then we have to write an image called logo. We are still calling it our logo. So we have to import logo here first. It'll be import logo from we have to go to the directory by putting slash. Now it's on asset, then we'll say logo good. Now we're going to image, which will be footer. The class name will be footer logo. And then yes, I also remember in normal HTML we use this thing. We use this stuff or this. Sorry, or this. But in React we use curly braces. So SLC logo, then we have to add the auth to so that people can know what we're doing. Auth logo. And that's it. Then we have to also add another which will be footer test. So it'll be dot it's a div, so we'll call it footer dash test. Now now I'm going to write and copy. That is, I want to write my and copy is a command that shows don't no copyright. So if you look at it here, you still see. All right, there's some errors. Now let's just complete what we are doing. Import. Oh, sorry, it was from this place. Import. So um, you see this and copy is a command that turn it to C. It is for copyright and copy. I'm going to write a dynamic code. You can just say 2025, but I want to make it dynamic so that even if I am not I cannot be coming to the website and be changing it every time. So I have to make it dynamic that once the year change to 2026, the website will just change to 26 immediately. So I'll write this code. Oh, that was a mistake. I'll write this code. Um, new date. New is a function for date. New date dot get full year. It's already bringing it for me. And Joe. So this new date dot get full year have already given us 2025. Just giving us the two. That's how you could just say normally you could just write 2025 here. 2025. Hmm? But every time you start coming to write the date, the year when it goes to 20, you now write 2026. So no. So you just have to make it dynamic. So that's how you make it dynamic. Joe Ute, that's my name. All rights reserved. All rights reserved. All right. Um, next we and this div belongs to footer left. So we want to go to footer links. It's not going to be footer left under footer left. So go under, I said that call it class name. Oh, supposed to be div. You can say dot. You can say div dot footer footer links, or you could just say div dot footer links, or dot footer links is for div. Div will just the tag will just come out. So that's the shortcut. Remember to subscribe, please, if you're liking the video. And then write your A tags. A, then press enter. A tag, then GitHub. You can write as many as you wish, but I'm going to write paste it 3 times. I just need 3 of them. LinkedIn and or Instagram, any of them. I don't have Twitter account. I have Twitter account though, but LinkedIn and then Instagram. Instagrammer. Instagram. So yeah. So that should be it. That should be it. That should be it. That should be it. So we're going to the page. You're going to see everything here. It's not looking good at all. We have to style this thing. So going to styling. Remember we have we have not even import our CSS. So let's import our CSS. Import footer.css. Import dot slash footer. All right, it's already there. Footer.css, and then we'll go to first footer.css and styling dot come. You come to this place to make sure you're doing the right thing, you're following the right class name so that you will not make mistake. It's better you copy and paste dot footer, enter. All right, and then you say background background color var dash dash deep deep gray, and then color var test 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 light, padding 25 pixel, comma 0. We only want padding top and bottom, but we don't want at the side. So uh, border top border top border top solid one pixel solid, then RGBA 255 comma 255 comma 255. RGBA is like color, is for color to color. So we continue. We go to dot footer container dot footer. Let's check it carefully. Yeah, footer container is the next one, so put footer container here. All right, dot footer container, and then we write mouse width 1200 pixel. Okay, let's see here what we have been doing. It's making sense. And all right, you will see the sense. You will see the sense soon enough. Footer container 1200 pixel. Now that's the mouse width. Now margin auto padding padding 020 pixel, and display flares justify content center. Justify content either center, or let's use space between. Align items center. Let's see how it looks. Let's wrap. Let's wrap. All right. All right. Is entering is becoming beautiful. Okay. Footer test. Footer logo. Which one first? All right. Footer left. Footer left. Let's go for footer left and see what we should write. Have I write footer container? Yeah. I've written for footer container. All right. Dot footer test. You have to. Is it footer test? There was a mistake here. There's not supposed to be a space between these two. Coming. There's a mistake. When you're writing this stuff, you make sure there's no space. So footer left. You see why you have to go and copy it so you don't know that you display flex. Then align items center. Then gap 10 pixel. Alright. Next is after footer test, footer left, we have logo, footer logo. So copy this. Make sure don't copy auth, is the logo you're working with or the ID. So you copy the class name, not the nav. So footer logo, we dot control V. So footer logo width 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, um, object fit contain. All right. Um, Next we do footer test. Footer test dot footer test. Footer test. Okay, font size 0.9 rem. Rem is like in relation to the normal um, test size. So let's see. Okay, all right, it's making sense. So what next after footer test? Footer links. Footer links. Let's copy that. Footer links. Dot footer links. Display flex and then gap 20 pixel. Good job. What next? I think a tag. A tag. We need to write for the A also. We need to write for the A also. Just to write A. We're going to say footer links. We have A here, so we'll say footer links A. So dot footer links A, and then we say color var dash dash text height, font weight, font weight 500, font weight 500, transition color 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds. Then we will see say footer links over. Now look at the footer links. These are the footer links. So if we over it, we should see a color maybe. So dot footer. Oh, there's a mistake here. There's not supposed to be space before the dot. Just footer links a footer links a over and then you say color. No, not column. Color over dash cyber green. Okay, let's see something. When you over, you see it's great. So when we start putting the other pages, the footer link will come downward. Yeah. Right. All right. That's it for the video. And we'll continue with the pages in the next series. Please like, subscribe, and share. Remember to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, and share. Thank you.